Have you ever wondered how bread is made? Today I'll be making coconut bread. If you'd like to make normal bread, all you have to do is take out the coconut in this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients below in the description box. So I'm attaching my bowl to my stand mixer. I've already poured my flour and my salt in it already, so now what I'm going to do is add my dry ingredients one after the other. So now I'm adding my coconut, then I'm going to add my yeast, and then I'm going to add my sugar. So I'm doing this just to allow everything mixed together so I don't have like bits and pieces that aren't incorporated well in the dough. So now I'm going to add my water. This is warm water, not cold water, not room temperature water. This is warm water. And I'm going to add my melted butter as well. I didn't add all my water before by mistake, so now I'm going to just add the rest of that. So now we're just going to let the mixer do the work and mix away. If you don't have a stand mixer, you could actually do this by hand, just that you'd have to work the dough longer. So with my stand mixer, I did approximately 6 minutes. But if you're using your hand, you might have to need, or you'll have to need for 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. So I'm just going to let the mixer do the work. Okay, so now we're done mixing. And as you can see, this is a wet dough. And this is because this recipe calls for more water or requires more water because of the coconut, because coconut is quite drying. So I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the surface and just knead the dough with my fingers a little bit. Scrape out everything that you can. I wasn't too bothered about scraping it though, but scrape as much as you can. So you'd want to put a little bit of flour on your fingers and just a little bit on top of the dough and knead properly. Not too much, just gently, as you can see. Gently, be gentle with the dough. And it's pretty soft, so you don't really need to do too much because we already used a mixer. But if you were using your hand instead of a mixer, then yeah, you'd have to do a lot of work. Beautiful. So I coated my pan with butter and then lined the bottom with baking paper. If you don't have baking paper, you can just coat it with flour. Yeah, it will come out. So I want to divide my dough into 4. You could actually just put the dough inside now. You don't have to do all these things that I'm doing. But yeah, just for the fun of it. So I'm going to mold each one into a ball. That first one was ugly, but yeah, the other ones will be pretty or prettier. So yeah, dust your palms with a little bit of flour so it wouldn't stick too much. So now I'm going to arrange them into the pan and just pat them down so they fit into the pan like properly. Then I'm going to cover it in cling film and let it rise in the microwave. Just look at that, so beautiful. So I'm going to brush the top with egg wash and then sprinkle some more coconut on top just for extra crunch. Then I'm going to put in the oven for 30 minutes and bake on medium heat. And just like that, you've made bread. Isn't it so beautiful? Let me know if you try it out in the comment section. Stay blessed.